In this video, we're unboxing and installing Jeep Wrangler rubber spring kit. Rubber spring kit display. Mounting bracket, bolts, and nuts. Product introduction, precautions. Brand logo. Tools required for replacing the rear rubber spring kit on a Jeep Wrangler. Large torque wrench. Large electric impact wrench. 8mm hex bit socket. Large 18mm deep socket. Large 21mm deep socket. 21mm wrench. 18mm wrench. 16mm wrench. During installation, use a transmission jack to assist. Lifting the vehicle. Use a transmission jack to support the rear differential. Use an 18mm wrench together with an 18mm deep socket and electric impact wrench to remove the bolt connecting the shock absorber to the rear axle. Remove the bolt. Separate the shock absorber from the rear axle. Use a 21mm wrench together with a 21mm deep socket and electric impact wrench to remove the bolt connecting the track bar to the frame. Remove the bolt. Separate the track bar. Lower the transmission jack. Remove the spring. Separate the spring from the upper bump stop. Rubber spring kit display. Before installation, first remove the nut. Remove the upper washer. Place the washer inside the upper shock mount. This is what it looks like when properly installed. Next, install the lower bump stop housing. During installation, please notice, the bolt has a fairly long length. If it is too long, you can cut it using a cutting tool. During installation, we need to place the original rubber bushing on top. Then, install it in place. Thread on the lock nut. Use a 16mm wrench together with an 8mm hex bit and electric impact wrench to tighten the bump stop mounting bolt. Install the spring. Raise the transmission jack to secure the spring. Install the track bar. Install the mounting bolt. Install the lock nut. Use a 21mm wrench together with a 21mm deep socket and electric impact wrench to tighten the track bar mounting bolt. Use a 21mm wrench together with a 21mm deep socket and torque wrench to tighten the track bar mounting bolt. Tightening torque, 150 Nm or 111 foot-pounds. Install the shock absorber. Install the shock absorber mounting bolt. Install the nut. Use an 18mm wrench together with an 18mm deep socket and electric impact wrench to tighten the shock absorber mounting bolt. Use an 18mm wrench together with an 18mm deep socket and torque wrench to tighten the shock absorber mounting bolt. Tightening torque, 100 Nm or 74 foot-pounds. Lower the transmission jack. Remove the jack. Lower the vehicle.